Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our 23rd video for Laravel blogging website, and in this video we will fetch posts according to the category. So in our previous video we have defined that how we can count the views of the post, and we have also showing the a category name in which post belongs to. Now we will when user click on this category, then it will show the post according to this category. It means it will show the post which belongs to category 2. So let's do this. So what we need to do first, we will create a controller method and route for this. So let's go to the app http controller, and we will go to the, let's say, home controller, and here we are showing the detail. Now we will show here, now we will create, actually we have created the post controller, and but this is used for admin. Okay, now here what we will do, we will show the post according to the category. So all posts, all posts according to the category. Okay, so we will define this category posts, and in this we will pass the request parameter, and in the request we will pass what we will pass the cat id, we will pass the cat slug and cat id. Okay, and now what we will do, in this we will return the detail, and this we will show category, and here we will show the posts. So I will copy this here, and we are fetching the post. We also need a pagination, so what we will do here, order by descending, and we will define where. In this we will define cat id, and here in this we will define this. Okay, and here we will change this, and now we will create the corresponding route for this. So let's go to the blog routes web.php, and after the detail route here we will create this category and slug and id home controller. We will show category. Let's remove this post. Okay, and here we will show the category. Okay, now let's open the template view file. So we will open the view file, and in this we will open detail page, and after this detail page we are going to show here url. So this url will be category slash slug slash dot our id. So detail, so we have a this kind of data, we only need the variable. So here we will define category title, and this will be id, and for the slug we will define this. For the slug we need to do, we will copy the title here. We are creating the slug from the title. Okay, I hope you are understanding all the things. If you have any query or any suggestion or any improvement for me, then please define in the comment section. And here we have an error, and this error is define undefined variable posts. So what we need to do, we need to define the post here. Okay. Oh, sorry, we are doing this in detail page actually. And here we have a post, and we have a post. So in this we have a 25 number line. Okay, we have changed the detail actually. We have changed in the detail section. Okay, let's go to this. So here you can we need to remove the slug from. So here you can see we have created the URL. If you hover this on URL, you can see the category slash the title and slash the ID. So now we need to create the, when user click on this, we need to fetch the post. So what we will do, we will copy this home page and create a new page and name it category dot blade dot php. Okay, and here we will define the title. So we will define this title dynamically. So what we need to do, we need to pass the category title. So we will fetch here category. So the category will be, and we also need to use category, so we will use the model category. Okay, and now we will find the category with the help of this ID and pass this category here. Okay, and now we will define this category title dynamically. Let's refresh this page and go to this category. So we are now in the category 2, and the post is 4, and this category has 2 posts. So let's you can see here we have a category. Let's open the admin and verify all the things. Admin, and let's go to the view all section, and here we will show the category here. So let's show the category in the admin section also. So in the view section, backend, category, index, category, because at that time when we were fetching the categories, we have not defined the relationship. Now we have defined the relationships, and so we can fetch the categories. So actually we are doing in the wrong place. We are doing on wrong place actually. We need to do in the post index page. Post index, and here what we will do, category, and here we will also define the category, and the place of post we will define category and title. Okay, so we have, okay, now what it's need to do, actually we have defined the ID, we need to okay, so you can see here we have both posts belongs to this category. Now now let's change this category, change the post of this category, change the category of this post, sorry. So I will use this category. So now let's go to the post title 2 and go to the category 1 So here you can see we don't have pagination because this category has only one post. Okay, and if I define this post in category 2, then we have pagination. uh, Actually we need to define this category 1. Let's go to the, let's not confuse, and go to this category 1 and change this category 2 and update. And now let's change this. So we have this category 2. So now this category has now 2 posts, so we are showing this pagination. Okay, I hope you understand all the things. So if you have any query or any suggestion, then please share in the comment box, and please subscribe the channel for regular updates. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. And in this video I just want to show you that how we can show the post according to the categories. And we have achieved the achieved that what we want to do. So in the next video I will show the all categories in page, and we will go to the specific category and show this kind of post from the specific category. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.